President of the United States, Barack Obama, claims that he was a professor of constitutional law. If that's the case, he would know that one of the first cases that are taught in constitutional law is Marbury versus Madison, where John Marshall established the Supreme Court is the final arbitrator of constitutional decisions. In other words, the Supreme Court would decide if a law was constitutional or not. And that has been the way it is in this country forever. Now, has the Supreme Court been attacked before about decisions? Sure, like Roe v. Wade. Roe v. Wade, the Supreme Court found the law constitutional in the privacy clause, which is kind of ridiculous to a lot of people. However, even though I am against Roe v. Wade, at the same time, I understand the Supreme Court has the right to decide whether something is constitutional or not. Barack Obama said the Supreme Court should not find this law constitutional or not because a majority of Congress passed the law. Any law passed by Congress has to get the majority of Congress. And guess what? They pass unconstitutional laws as determined by the Supreme Court. I mean, this shows a complete lack of intellect on legal issues from the President of the United States who claims to be smart and taught constitutional law. It's pretty ridiculous. And of course, the Fifth Circuit Judge Perry is wanting the Justice Department to give him a 3-page letter, single-spaced, outlining what the administration's position is on the court's ability to decide whether something's constitutional or not. But although the average citizen isn't going to understand this, this is a pretty big deal. And even Glenn from Mason today on the radio was unwilling to fuss with me about my statement that if we found out that Barack Obama was a communist spy selling secrets to Russia and China, 49% of the American people would still vote for him. I mean, it's incredible. This is the Bulldog. Every dog has their day. I hope tomorrow is yours.